Welcome to Accelerator Pedals. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily test your 2011 through 2014 Ford E250 van accelerator pedal. This is the power supply. It takes 3 AA batteries. Line them up like this. Use some copper wires at the edges and attach the positive and negative wires at the ends. Verify that you will have about 4.5 volts coming out. That is close enough for testing to the 5-volt system in your car. After assembling the power supply, the plug should be facing towards you just like this. The positive from the multimeter and the battery will be connected up to this first pin, and the multimeter will be set at 20 volts just like this. The negative from the multimeter will connect up to the second pin, and the negative from the battery will connect up to the third pin. After you do this, it should be reading about 4.1 volts on the multimeter. And as you press down on the pedal, it should read about 2.7 volts as it is fully compressed, or at the very end. Make sure you're checking for both spikes and glitches during your test. For the second potentiometer, the multimeter will still be set at 20 volts just like this. And the negative from the battery will connect up to this fourth pin. The negative from the multimeter will connect up to the fifth pin. And the positive from both the multimeter and the battery will connect up to the bottom sixth and final pin. After you do that, it should be reading about 3.8 volts on the multimeter in its idle position. As you fully press it in, it should stop at around 1.0 volts. Remember to be checking for spikes and glitches during these tests. So in this example, you can see that we are pressing down on it slowly and letting it rise up. And it looks like that this is not having any problems. It doesn't have any glitches or spikes. If your pedal has a spike or glitch, time to replace it. Our website shows when we have them in stock. We ship them from Ohio and we'll send it out right away. Check out the pinned comment and in the description for the link to our website.